Various types of family budget. 1. Surplus budget. It takes place when total income of the family is more than its total expenditure. In this case, people can increase their saving and investment. 2. Deficit budget. It takes place when total income of the family is lesser than its total expenditure. In this case, people use their previous savings, borrow money, or take loans to meet the excess expenditure. Sometimes, family budget becomes deficit due to uncertainties like sickness, accident, family functions, etc. Balanced budget. It takes place when total income of the family is equal to total expenditure. It maintains the balance between income and expenditure of the family. Merits of family budget. 1. It gives an idea about total income and expenditure of the family. 2. It guides to control the unnecessary expenditure. 3. It highlights the importance of saving. 4. It helps to achieve maximum satisfaction with given income. Components or parts of the budget. A. Receipt. Receipt includes total income of the family from various sources like income from agriculture and allied activities, interest from saving and investment, profits from business, earning from sale of old property, rent from house or shop, income received from various sources, etc. B. Expenditure. Expenditure includes money spent on various goods and services. Example, expenses on home loan installment, education, insurance premium, food, groceries, clothing, electricity, telephone, traveling, medicines, fuel, saving for future, etc. Generally, family budget depends upon income sources, number of family members, loan amount, items of expenditure, saving and future provisions, etc. Example of family budget. Family budget of Mr. Akash from Pune is prepared for the month of July with the help of given list of income and expenditure of his family. In this case, income of the family is greater than expenditure. It is a surplus budget. There is a balance of 5,000 rupees. What can a good budget do? 1. Protects individuals from getting into financial problems. 2. Brings economic stability in the family if money is managed efficiently. Budgeting is the basic step of financial planning for the happiness of our family.